I hope you all are doing great and I hope you all are safe wherever you are. So 2 days ago, a friend of mine contacted me. It was late at night, probably 11:30, 12, and he told me that he was feeling very stressed from work and from everything that has been happening around. And I could make out that this is a case of pandemic anxiety because he was clearly not in a good state of mind at that point of time. I listened to everything that he had to say because he just needed an ear at that point of time, and towards the end of our discussion I told him a few points that he should follow in order to ease out from the anxiety. And I thought, why not make a video out of it, because given the times that we are in, this is going to be of much relevance, right? First of all, your sleep cycle. Normalizing your sleep cycle is actually the first step when you want to feel in control of your life and you want to consequently feel good about it. I'm not telling you to be an early riser or not to be one. I mean, you decide it for yourself. You might be a more productive person during the day, or you might be a creativity machine during the night, but whatever it is, I mean, if you want to feel like you are in control of your life, then you have to start building a routine. You have to have a normal sleep cycle just to feel like you are in control of your life. I mean, क्या फीलिंग आ रही है इस वक्त कि कैसा लग रहा है कि कंट्रोल चला गया लाइफ से, that we don't have a control over whatever is happening around. So if we follow some steps just to give our mind the illusion that we have some control over our life, so isn't it worth it? Screen time. No screen time 1 hour pre and post your bedtime. That should be the thumb rule of your life. और मैं किसी टीचर की तरह नहीं समझाना चाहती हूँ, because this thing has genuinely worked for me. I mean, the light emitted from our mobile phones, it restrains the production of melatonin, which is actually a hormone responsible for the regulation of our sleep cycles. When we are using our mobile phones in the middle of the night, our minds are psychologically engaged because the brain is stimulated to work more. उसे सिग्नल ही नहीं मिल रहा है कि भाई स्लो डाउन, सो जा. तो अगर कभी ऐसा हो कि रात में नींद नहीं आ रही है और तुम फोन चला रहे हो, तो ये सोचना कि नींद नहीं आ रही है इसलिए फोन चला रहे हो, या फोन चला रहे हो इसलिए नींद नहीं आ रही है. Workout. Okay, I agree, not everyone can be a big fan of this word, but it has been seen that some level of physical activity helps in easing out the anxiety symptoms. Now, for some cases, it can be really difficult to even get up from the bed, but just give it a chance. Try to do this for yourself. You are not going to do this for anyone else. Do this for yourself. I mean, this can be something as basic as walking. If I talk about myself, I personally love yoga and HIIT if I need to clear my head. Eating clean. I cannot stress this enough. If you eat clean, you actually feel good from inside. You cannot feed your body burgers and sodas every day of your life and then expect to feel good from inside. This standard American diet is not meant for us, and we know that. Personally, on days that I eat clean, I feel positive. I genuinely feel happy and good from inside. So guys, this was all for today. The 4 points that I've shared with you are from my personal experience. I have inculcated them at one point of time or the other in my life, and I've genuinely felt improvements in one form or the other. So I hope it was helpful, and if you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.